What's up guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. And today we are going back to the most realistic price prediction. This time we will do it for AAVE. And if this is the first price prediction from me that you are seeing, then don't worry, I will explain everything in detail to you. But before we are getting started, if you want to see more price predictions like that and also want to see crypto market analysis, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, because I put out a price prediction like that every week and market analysis on a daily basis. And of course, as always, the first link in the video description is my Patreon account. That is the right address for you if you are tired of having no idea in which market stage we are in right now, what you should do, when to buy, when to sell, when it is time to cash in profits. Here you won't feel lost anymore. On my Patreon account, I will give you real-time updates on all my portfolio and trading updates. Plus you will get access to my Discord community where you can chat with all community members, also including me. So looking forward to see you guys there. And now I would say let's go into the most realistic price prediction for AAVE. But before we are really getting started here, I also have to say that I was really thinking about if I really should do this video or if I not should do this video, because the prediction right here is a little bit crazy because of the data and the performance that AAVE has done so far in the short time it is on the market. And I really don't want to go with this moon predictions or something like that. But I just want to show you what are the data is telling us. And in the end, of course, you can decide for yourself what is likely, what is not likely. I will also tell you in the end of this video my opinion about this. But the main point should be the historical data right here and what it is showing us. I'm into the price prediction. I'm not putting in my personal opinion, but this time in the end, after the price prediction, so nothing will change in the price prediction with my personal opinion, but in the end I will tell you something about this price prediction, what is my personal opinion about this. So let's get started. Also this sheet right here is pretty empty. If you saw my older price predictions, then you know normally here are standing the cycles, and also in AAVE right here we just have one cycle, so not much data right here. And that is also the reason why this is why this comes to this crazy prediction right here. But let's start off. I will read this cycle to you right here so you understand this in case you're not familiar with that. So the first low was on the 6th of October. The 6th of October 2020, and that was 90 million, and the market share was 0.03%, and the total market cap was 338 billion. Then right now we are at 4.9 billion. That is a market share of 0.33%, and from 0.03% to 0.33%, that is an increase of the mouse again, sorry about that. So that is an increase of 1000%. And the same thing in the total market cap, so from 338 billion to 1.5 trillion, that is an increase of 343.79%. And now out of this, I want to take a basket again. In the basket, and out of this basket I'm taking the average price, and you can see right here normally I have an underperformance, a constant, so that the market dominance is keeping stable, and then a continuation of the growth and an outperforming scenario. But you can already see that I just have three predictions right here. The first one is the underperforming, that is 0.23%. that is the current market dominance, so where we are at right now, minus 30%. And I have to say this one right here is not backed by data. And then the next one is the constant, so stable, no change in the market dominance. That would mean we would keep we would stay at 0.33%. And now comes the crazy part about this, and that is if we are just continuing the growth that we had so far in AAVE, so from October to now, and you can see that right here. We had 1000% growth in market dominance in 5 months, and 1000% divided by 5, that means 200% per month, and the estimated market peak will be in 15 months, so that is the average out of that, and that would mean we would have another 3000% increase in the market dominance. So 0.33% where we are at right now plus 3000%, that would lead us to a result of 10.23%. And yeah, that is the result right here. As I said, in the end I will say something about this. And now as we have the predictions right here, we have of course also have to take the supply. The supply is listed right here, and in the end of course to do the calculation we have to of course also take the whole prediction of the whole market, and that is this one right here. So that is a time window, so between the end of 2021 till the end of 2022. And I'm saying this again and again, I know, but I see this in lots of comments, that this is a time window, and this is not meaning that this price target will be reached at the end of this year. The end of this year is just the earliest possible scenario. And the estimated market cap is between 10.45 trillion to 16.67 trillion, and of course that is also based on historical data. If you want to know how I got to this conclusion right here, then I will link you my very first price prediction right here. That is about Bitcoin, so the most realistic Bitcoin price prediction, and there I show you exactly how I got to this conclusion, and of course also you will get the most realistic price prediction for Bitcoin. And I would say now we have the market dominance estimations, we have the supply, we have the total market cap estimation. Now we can do the math, and that is this one right here. I will read the first one as example to you again, so that there we have 0.23% in market dominance, and a total market cap of 16.67 trillion. So 0.23% out of the 16.67 trillion, that would be 38.34 billion. That divided with the supply, and that would lead us to a price in AAVE of $2,758. And you can see right here, for every market dominance prediction, I have taken the higher total market cap estimation and the lower one, and out of all these predictions right here, we are having the average, and that is the mouse again, sorry, and the average price is $62,015. That would be with a market share of 6.36% and a total market cap of 862 billion. And before I say my personal opinion about that, also here I have listed the in case you want to do your own price prediction, I have listed for you how much worth one AAVE would be with 1% market dominance, and you can see right here with the higher market cap it would be 11,993. With the lower one it would be $7,518, and the average price would be $9,756 with 1% market dominance in AAVE. And I would say first we go into the chart, and then I'm saying something to this price prediction. So here the charts also, so that you not just see this in numbers, so you can also see this in a picture, in a chart. And the first one is of course the underperforming scenario. You can see even with the underperforming scenario, the total market cap and of course also the price would have a significant increase. Then here we have the 0.33% market dominance, that is the constant. Also here big increase, and then of course the the 10% prediction. So that is, by the way, that is the same growth, but also for me the outperforming scenario. And then we would have the market cap so big that what we have right now we can't even see it. Here if I zoom in a little bit, maybe you can see that we have here just a little blue bar. Maybe you can see that when I zoom in. And then in the end, of course, we have the total average prediction, that would be 6.36% market dominance. in the total average with a price of $62,015. And now in the end, let me also say something about this. You know, I'm always sticking to the numbers, and in this price prediction I am not putting my personal opinion in right here, and that is why this prediction is so high. Because the numbers right now are so high. We have very little in historical data, and since this coin is in the market, it's just growing, and in 5 months 1000% increase. That is pretty crazy. I didn't saw that in any other crypto so far that I have done the most realistic price prediction for. So this constant increase. But I also remember that, for example, Yearn Finance, I don't know the market dominance that Yearn Finance has increased and where it was when it has this crazy pump, but I remember that it was also a couple of months where this coin was really just growing and growing and growing, and also gained market cap ranks. And conclusion out of that is of course also that it was gaining market dominance. But after a certain period of time, this coin was dropping again. Of course not, I think it is already at a new all-time high, but in the market dominance and in the market cap ranks, after a certain period of time it was decreasing again. And that is what I want to say here to this price predictions. So I think that, so my personal opinion, and you now have to separate what I'm saying, because this one right here, the most realistic price prediction, this is based on the historical data, and in this coin we not have much historical data, and that is why we just have the outperforming scenario that puts this whole price prediction way up. And in my personal opinion, that is what I want to say, that you have to separate this. This one is what the numbers are telling us, and what my personal opinion about this is that very likely in AAVE we will also see something like in Yearn Finance, so that at some point it will also not do this crazy outperformance anymore. Maybe just keep stable, just growing slower, because that is from a market perspective, it is unlikely that this growth is kept constantly, so that it will just keep growing and growing on the same rate in this with this insane increase. So that is my personal opinion about this, but my personal opinion didn't change what the numbers are telling me, and that is what the numbers are telling me, so that is what I'm sticking to. And so that is the most realistic price prediction for AAVE. As I said, if you want to do your own price predictions in the comments, then feel free to post them in the comments. You can directly put in the calculation right here. That is why I have done this for you. And if you have any questions, then feel free to write them down in the comments. And if this video was helpful, then please leave a like, subscribe to this channel so you won't miss out any future updates. And as I said in the beginning of the video, the first link in the video description is my Patreon account. Definitely make sure to check it out. It is absolutely worth it. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. And as always, have a nice day.